Hey guys, this is Ravi Sagar. Welcome to /node.in. Today I'll tell you how to start your own blog in a Drupal website. In this video, I'll tell you how to enable a blog. I'll tell you how to promote your blog to the front page, and I'll also tell you how to enable and disable the comments that people can post in your blog. I'll tell you how to access all the blogs that you have published to your website, and in the end I'll tell you how to create an RSS feed and why it is very important for a blog to have RSS feed. So let's begin. The first step that you need to do for enabling the blog on a Drupal website is to enable this module that comes by default with the core, which is known as the blog module. It is very simple. All you need to do is go to the module section and enable this module here, and let me now save this configuration, and this is it. This is all you need to do for enabling the modules. Very simple thing to do. You don't really need to download any module. You just need to enable the module that comes with the Drupal core. Okay, so now our blog module is enabled. So the first thing that you can do after you enable your blog is you can go to this link. So now you can see we have three type of content: article, page, and a blog entry. This blog entry comes after you enable your blog module. It was not there earlier. By default, only article and basic page content types are enabled on a Drupal website. So let me quickly add a new blog, and let's begin writing blogs. So you can say maybe hello world. So this could be your first blog. Okay, so I have just entered. I have just entered the title of the blog and the body, and let me save it. Okay, so now you can see this blog has been created, and you can see this title of the blog. It appears here, and it also says submitted by root, which is in this case the username, and here is the description or the body of the blog, and you can see that by default there is a comment section which people can use to give their feedback on your blog. So when you create a blog, you have an option to either enable these comments or disable them. By default, the comments are enabled when you enable the blog module, and I'll tell you how to disable it. And there is a possibility to enable or disable the comment section for a particular blog post. So for example, if I go to this edit tab here, let me come down, and here you see under the comment settings. So you can see under the comment setting there is an option to either open or close your comments. By default it is open, and you, if you want, you can close it. So let me close it and save it now. Here you go. Now you can see that the comment section is now gone. So very easy thing to do here, nothing much. So till now we have simply enabled a blog module and created our first blog. Now let me come to the home page of this website. Here you can see that the blog that we entered start to appear on the front page, and there is a possibility, if you want not to promote your blog to the front page, let me create another blog. So I am creating my second blog here. So when you create a blog post, there is an option under publishing section here which says promoted to front page. By default, for all the blogs it is enabled, but if you want you can disable it. So let me uncheck it and save it. So my new blog post is now published on the website, and here you can see the comment section because we did not disable them. Ideally, it is a good thing to have on your blog. I would want my people visiting the website to give their feedback or share their views. So uh, every blog should have a comment section. It is my opinion, but it is up to you. If you want, you can disable them anytime. So now we can go to the homepage to check whether this is promoted to the homepage or not. So as you can see, this new blog that we created, it is not there on the homepage because we did not promote it to the front page. Now, let me show you how to disable promoting to front page for all the blogs. So for that, you need to go under this content types section, and here you can see a blog entry. So let me click on it. So this is the configuration for all the blogs, and here you can modify uh, settings for this blog content type, and here you can see that the publishing options is promoted to front page by default. So these are the default options for all the blogs. So I can disable it by unchecking. Similarly, if you want, you can uh, close the comments. It is up to you, but I would like to keep them open. Anyways, I have choice to disable the comments for a particular blog post. So, but I don't want them to be promoted to the front page. So let me save it. So now we have changed the default settings, and let me show you the default settings now. So I am adding another content again. Okay, so let me I'm writing my third blog. So you can check under this publishing options that the promoted to front page option is now disabled. So we have changed the default settings for a blog post. So very simple and easy things to do here. You can easily create your blogs, you can change the settings, you can control the comments. So now let me tell you how to access all of your blogs. So if you come to the home page, you can see that it will only show you the blogs that we promoted to the front. But if you want to see all the blogs, then you can do that by going to this page which says blog. So here you can see that this page will display all the blogs that you published to your website, and if you want you can also create a menu item for it. Let me quickly create a menu for it so you don't really need to type the blog word in your address bar. So I want to add a menu link under my main menu. There's another video for understanding how this menu system works, so I recommend you to watch it also. So I want to call it blog, and I am linking it to the blog page. Very simple stuff. I'll save it. Okay, so now you can see that we have another entry in our menu, the main menu. So now if you are not really promoting your blog to front page, then you can always come to this page and access all your blogs. So uh, I hope now you can start your blog in very short time if you want to create a blog, and uh, you want it to be on your own website. So now you can use Drupal to create your own blog. So, well, there is another thing that I wanted to show you in this tutorial, and that is the RSS feeds. The full form of RSS feeds is really simple syndication, and it is used basically to publish your blog to the outside world. And RSS is basically an XML file that is generated every time you add any content to your blog. If you add a new blog entry, then this XML file will be updated automatically by your Drupal website. And it is very important to have this RSS feed in your site, because if you want to publish your blog to maybe a Twitter account, or maybe your Facebook account, or if you want to integrate your blog with the feed burner service, then you really need to have an RSS feed enabled on your blog. And in the Drupal website, this RSS feed is enabled by default. You really don't have to do anything. The only thing you need to know is you need to know about how to access your RSS feed. So if you go to this blog page where you have all the blog posts, then if you go down, you'll see this icon here. And once you click on this icon, you will see this XML file has been generated, and you can see that the blog entries that you created are presented in a format, and this is a standard format that will be understandable by various services like Google Feed Reader, or any other service that you are integrating with. So right now in this video, I'll not go into the details of this RSS feed. I'll create another video where I'll show you how to integrate your RSS feed with the services like FeedBurner or maybe Twitter account. And the only thing you need to know about the RSS feed is the URL that will be generated. And for generating the RSS feed, you need to enter feed after your blog page. So very simple thing to do here, and in this video we have just created a very simple and easy blog. I hope you can also do the same, and thank you.